meeting, a closed-door meeting that what is being said, where top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party has started to arrive there, and all of the 70 candidates will be meeting together. Let's get in a word from Isha now. Isha, now the allegations that are now being leveled just hours before the results are announced, what is this meeting all about, where all the 70 candidates are expected to meet together? Of course, the Operation Lotus charge is being leveled again by the Aam Aadmi Party.
Right, Amita. So yesterday, Sanjay Singh, the Aam Aadmi Party MP, in a press conference, raked a very serious charge against the BJP, stating that 7 of their MLAs have been offered a chance to switch to the BJP, and 15 crore rupees is being offered. But again, the question, his claims are being fact-checked, and the BJP has refused to accept any of that. The BJP is stating that they will continue to win. They are winning, and the Aam Aadmi Party is only insecure, and they are believing that they will lose, and that is why they're levelling these allegations. Currently, we are reporting from Arvind Kejriwal's residence, and sources have told Times Now that this meeting is to exclusively discuss the horse trading allegations that Sanjay Singh spoke about yesterday. So all 70 MLAs have been called at the residence of the chief of the Supremo of the Aam Aadmi Party, and they have started to arrive. In fact, senior leaders like Manish Sisodia and Sanjay Singh and Sanjeev Jha are also here, and it is a closed-door meeting which is all set to take place. And in fact, of course, the anticipation for the result day is extremely high, and the Aam Aadmi Party, despite what it is looking on the outside, sources are suggesting that on the inside they are making sure that no horse trading can take place, and they can actually keep the party together. They can actually keep the party well.
We've often seen just before election results are announced, often political parties indulge in what is being said as resort politics. Now, do we see that happening in Delhi, in just in case, because we are looking at the leaders who are already arriving for this crucial meeting that will be taking place, with top Aam Aadmi Party leaders also being present along with the 70 candidates? The allegations that have also been leveled right now, are they preparing for something that may happen where they are already raising allegations of horse trading?
Right, Amita. So this is not a new allegation that parties have made so far, and the Aam Aadmi Party is also raking up a similar charge. In fact, MLAs are currently walking in. We try to get in a word from them as well, but again, they're all really mum at the moment. They are stating that they don't really want to comment, and in fact, they've been stating that they will get more than 50 to 60 seats. So that is what the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs are harping about at the moment. But again, the question that comes to the fore is that Sanjay Singh and the Aam Aadmi Party have said that they are being horse traded, but the BJP has refused to accept any of this. So definitely resort politics coming into play here, coming into the picture. But tomorrow, Amita, will be a very interesting day, because finally the results will be out, and the results of the Aam Aadmi, if the Aam Aadmi Party manages a third term, or will the BJP end their 27-year drought. In fact, even as we speak, you can see Gopal Rai is arriving right now. The Environment Minister of the national capital is currently arriving, and he is refusing to speak to the media. In fact, he is arriving at Arvind Kejriwal's residence. He refused to speak to the press, but he is also a key part of the meeting, considering that he holds important portfolios in the Delhi government, in the ministries. But again, Amita, important question that will be answered tomorrow.
All right.
That will
so keeping the flock together seems to be the main priority there for the Aam Aadmi Party, as this crucial closed-door meeting that is to take place with all the top leaders that are arriving at Arvind Kejriwal's residence, where this meeting is expected to begin soon. Already horse trading and poaching charges that the Aam Aadmi Party is now levelling on the BJP. Thank you very much, Isha, for joining in. That's a big story there. Of course, the countdown there continuously on your screens, hours to go before the results day is announced. And where will you find when it comes to the most accurate numbers and the most credible voices? It's here on Times Now, India's election news headquarters.